Hi, my name is Dan. I am the owner and operator of Arctic Vapor. And today I wanted to do a little demonstration of the three types of atomizers that we primarily carry. The first being a standard resistance 510 atomizer, low resistance 510 atomizer, and the low resistance 306 atomizer. For all of these, we'll be using one of our standard 1000 mAh Ego batteries. So we'll start off with the standard resistance 510, and these come standard with all of the Ego, VGO, and Smart Starter kits. The 510 atomizer itself is one of the best atomizers on the market. It produces a fair amount of vapor with a nice flavor to it, and it produces a slightly warmer vapor than you'll get from similar atomizers. The next up is the low resistance 510. This atomizer is exactly the same, but with a lower resistance, meaning that it gets hotter and produces warmer vapor and more of it. So as you can see, there's definitely an improvement in vapor. It also gives a better throat hit, and it provides a warmer vapor sensation, so it's similar to smoking a cigarette. With the standard 510, it has a cooler feeling going down, and with the low resistance 510 and 306, you get a much warmer sensation, much more similar to smoking a cigarette. The final atomizer we'll be using today is the low resistance 306. And this atomizer actually requires a drip tip in order to be used. It has no barrel on it, unlike the 510, so you have to have a drip tip. So let's put a little bit of solution into this one and get it going. This is a brand new atomizer. So as with the low resistance 510, the low resistance 306 provide very warm vapor, a very good throat hit, and maintain a good flavor. I prefer the 306s simply because I feel like they get a little bit warmer than the low resistance 510s. However, they will not work with a VGO cone. As you can see here, the cone screws down, and it does not leave enough room for you to actually be able to get a draw. So with the low resistance 306s, you have to actually use these if you're using an EGO or a VGO out the cone. Whereas with the standard or low resistance 510, you can use them with or without a cone. Now on the low resistance atomizers, it is not safe to use these on a standard 510 battery, or at least not advised. They drain the batteries far too quickly and can cause the batteries to go into a protective state, which they usually do not recover from. It is, however, safe to use them on either the any of the EGO models, the 1000 mAh or the new 650 mAhs that we'll be carrying. It's also safe to use them on the VGOs, since they have a larger battery and they were built for this type of thing. If you have any questions, I'd be more than happy to help you. You can contact us at info@arcticvapor.com, or check us out on the web at www.arcticvapor.com. And that about wraps it up.